The given expression can be written as 3 power some expression in x equal to 3 into root 3. Now this can be written as 3 into 3 raised to 1 by 2, which becomes 3 raised to 3 by 2. Okay. Now this is of the form 3 raised to a equals 3 raised to b. If 3 raised to a and 3 raised to b are equal, then we can say that the exponents are equal, that is a equal to b. Okay. Now using this property, from the given equations, we can write, we can match the exponents, that is, this is the exponents on the left side and this is the exponent on the right side. We can equate both of them. Then we get, like this expression, you get log x to the base 9 square minus 9 by 2 log x to the base 9 plus 5 equals 3 by 2. Okay. Now you see there is a log x by 9 on two terms, so it is in the quadratic form. So once you make a substitution that log x to the 9 equals to some number, say y, then this becomes a quadratic equation in y. Then you can directly solve for y using the standard quadratic formulae or by factorization. Now we get y square minus 9 by 2 y plus 5 equal to 3 by 2. Now you subtract 3 by 2 from both the sides of the equation. Then we get y square minus 9 by 2y once you subtract 3 by 2 from 5, you get 10 minus 3, 7 by 2. So you get 7 by 2 equal to 0. Now either this can be solved using a standard quadratic formulae, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Either that formula you can directly use, or you can factorize it. You can see whether it can be factorized. Okay, you can search for two numbers whose product is 7 by 2 and whose summation is minus 9 by 2. So obviously those numbers are both are negative, so one can be written as minus 7 by 2 and other one is minus 1. So y minus 7 by 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. The product of minus 7 by 2 and minus 1 gives you 7 by 2, and the sum of minus 7 by 2 and minus 1 gives you minus 9 by 2. Okay. Now this is of the form of multiple of two numbers equal to 0. So when multiple of two numbers are equal to 0, at least one of the number is 0. Otherwise it's not possible. So this gives us two possibilities. That is, either the first number is 0 or the second number is 0. Okay. From this we can conclude the two options, that is, one is y minus 7 by 2 0 or y minus 1 equal to 0. That gives you y is equal to 7 by 2 on one side and y is equal to 1 on the other side. Okay. Now we have started off by saying that y is log x to the base 9. That's why this was our original expression, y to the base 9. Now the value y we have got, okay, the two values are there, so then you can get, this is what we have got, that is log x to the base 9, which is equal to y, which is equal to 1 or 7 by 2. Now based on the definition of logarithm, we can write x equal to the base 9 raised to the 1, that is the exponent, or x equal to base 9 raised to the exponent, that is 7 by 2. Okay. Now 9 raised to 7 by 2 can be simplified because 9 raised to 1 by 2 is 3, that is root of 9. So 9 raised to 1 by 2 raised to 7 you can write, and 9 raised to 1 by 2 is root of 9, that is 3. Then this can be written as 3 raised to 7. So 9 or 3 raised to 7. So this is the answer. Either one of these two numbers satisfies the given expression.